Um, Hello, I'm doing an MCT project on timer, which is a kitchen timer. So I have this device which I made, which can be used in a household kitchen for how is it? For for cooking purposes. Like if you're cooking some food item which takes 5 minutes, you can set the timer and you can switch it on and you can go do other work. So after 5 minutes, the alarm will ring, and you will know the food has been cooked. Okay, so let me show you the timer device that we made. This is the main power switch button. So this turns on the timer. So it displays a good message, which is encouraging to your mother, something like that. So this device actually has 7 preset modes. So this is the preset adjustment switch. So you switch it to preset mode. Now you can see it's adjust and there's a number beside it. You can press this button to select which preset you want to set. So there's a total of 7 presets, so you can set 7 different timings. So by default all the presets are 5 seconds, but if you want to adjust preset number 2, you can select the preset number, then you can adjust using this button. So now it's 1 minute. Now if I want to adjust preset number 5, I can select it using this button as I just did it. Then I can press this button to change the timing. For example, 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes 30 seconds. So then once you're done with the adjustment of the presets, you can go back to the normal mode using this button, and you can select which preset you want to use using this button again. So I want to use the second preset, which is 1 minute. I can select it using this button and I can start the timer using this. So now the timer is running. Okay, now the timer is running and it's going to finish soon. And now the alarm is ringing with a pattern on the LED also. And to stop the alarm, you can press any button or push any toggle switch. So I just push this button, it stops the alarm, resets time.